Hi, today I'm going to replace the battery on my car. First, I want to test the voltage of the current battery to see if it is bad or not. So I put the probe in common ground and then the other one in the DC voltage, and then I'm gonna set the meter to DC 20. So that should be enough reading. And see. So it's only 11.6. The proper battery, the good battery should be anywhere above 12.6. So this is really a bad battery. So I'm gonna replace it. So to take out the battery, I need to take this out. And first thing first, we wanna take out the negative terminal first. Okay, so we can put it safely. Then we can take out the positive terminal. I'm gonna take out this cover first. Okay. We can take out the old battery. Before we start pumping the new battery, I wanna clean the connection head. So I got this battery cleaner. Although this may not be the ideal glove, but this is the only thing I have. So. For new battery, there are usually two types of battery, the standard one and the AGM battery. I'm going with the AGM battery this time. Basically the difference is especially if you got the car with the auto start function, probably your OEM battery will be the AGM battery. Or those who wanna put extra load like extra accessory like LEDs or whatever, you may also wanna use the AGM battery. So generally the AGM batteries are more advanced and then they can withstand the load better than the standard one. The price wise, it may be more expensive than the standard one. So I have put the new battery in. There's a screw if you wanna tighten it down secure, or sometimes it may not fit with the battery size. So now I'm gonna start connecting the battery to the car, and this time we wanna start with the red one first. So first I wanna do is take out the plastic cover first, and I wanna put this protective thing. Then the silicone gel, it can prevent the corrosion. Okay, then we can start connecting the terminal. For the negative one, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take out the plastic cover, and then we're gonna put the protective thing. Now the moment or two. Okay, the dash light up is a good sign. Clutch in. And since we disconnected the battery and I didn't use the jumper cable to keep it connected, the audio system reset it. Okay, and also the time reset it. So I will be putting back all the cover in, and then for the old battery, you can take it back to the place you bought the battery. They will give you the cold battery fee. For the old one,